Hello, have you ever tried running a large language model on a Raspberry Pi? Well, it's not just possible, it's easy. Welcome back to Curiosity Tech. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of edgeAI with Tinyllama and Raspberry Pi 4B. If you have ever wondered, will a large language model work in a Raspberry Pi? Or what do I need to get started? You are in the right place. Right now, we will look into the advantages of having an LLM in an edge device. We will also set up Tinyllama in Raspberry Pi and generate poems with it. We will also look into other innovative ways to use this technology beyond just writing poems. So, whether you are a tech enthusiast or just curious about AI, let's get started and unlock the poetic potential of your Raspberry Pi. Before we start, let's dive into the world of Edge AI and see why it's becoming a game changer in the realm of technology. Edge AI refers to the deployment of artificial intelligence algorithms directly on a local device like our Raspberry Pi. This means all computing happens right here on this tiny device. So, why is this important? Well, processing data locally significantly reduces response time and protects your information from potential threats in the cloud. Running LLMs locally on devices like Raspberry Pi can make it a virtual assistant with ability to understand and generate human-like text. With Tinyllama on a Raspberry Pi, you can access AI without the need for constant internet connectivity. This not only enhances accessibility, making it feasible for use in the remote or less connected areas, but it also significantly streamlines interaction, allowing for a smoother and faster user experience. Imagine having your own AI assistant right in your classroom, office, or home, capable of performing tasks immediately and privately. That's the power of combining Tinyllama with Raspberry Pi through edge computing. But why Raspberry Pi for AI? For starters, it's cost effective. This makes it accessible to hobbyists, educators, and students alike, lowering the barrier to entering the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Moreover, the Raspberry Pi supports a range of programming languages and AI frameworks. This flexibility is invaluable whether you are building a voice control gadget, a face recognition system, or an AI that writes poetry. Now that you know why Raspberry Pi 4B, let's roll up your sleeves and start setting up Tinyllama on this versatile machine. For setting Tinyllama, we are utilizing llama.cpp. Llama.cpp is an open source library written in C++ that performs inference on various large language models. First, clone the llama.repository into your Raspberry Pi. Move into llama.cpp folder and install llama.cpp using the make command. Once it is compiled, you can download the quantized model from Hugging Face. Once the download is complete, you can test Tinyllama on Raspberry Pi asking it to generate a story. Now that you tested Tinyllama in your Raspberry Pi, you can install llama cpp python and langchain before writing a script to develop a poem writer using Tinyllama. Import langchain and llama cpp dependencies. Use llama.cpp to load Tinyllama model from your local path. You can create the prompt for the model to generate the answers. Here, I used 2 poems from Shakespeare as a reference for the model to generate the poems. Once you run the program, it asks you for the title of the poem and starts generating poetic text based on the topic provided. Now, we have a Raspberry Pi with LLM inside it. What does this mean to us in everyday applications? It provides people with information where internet connection is a luxury. People have access to virtual assistants that can help them in their daily tasks. However, since edge devices are low powered, it cannot support very large models and this may lead to poor performance. And now, these applications are not yet production ready. So, leveraging LLMs on edge device opens up a world of possibilities, especially in making AI accessible and functional in a variety of settings where traditional computing infrastructure might fall short. We are also thinking of integrating other LLMs in these edge devices that can help us detect plant diseases and provide us with a cure for these diseases, which could be helpful for millions of farmers in our country. Alright, we have explored an amazing project using Tinyllama and Raspberry Pi today, but now it's your turn. Come up with something that you can create with LLM and your Raspberry Pi. Got questions or need some advice? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out any of our future adventures. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.